Hi there. Today I'll be showing you how to transform an image from this to this using an amazing text effect on Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So first off, you're going to hit Command Control J to copy the layer, and then on the copy layer you're just going to go to blur and you're going to hit Gaussian blur. Make sure the radius is at 10 pixels and then you're going to hit OK. Then you're going to go into File and you're going to save as a map on your Documents file or your desktop. Once you have that saved, you're going to delete your layer 0 copy. After it's deleted, you're going to go into your text and you're going to select and paste a text paragraph on top of the face image. After it has been selected, you're going to right click and you're going to convert it to a smart object. After it's converted to a smart object, you're going to filter, then you're going to go to distort and displace. And make sure the horizontal and vertical scale is at 20. And then you're going to hit OK, and then you're going to open the map that we saved previously. Once that's done, you're going to move layer 0 on top of the text layer, and then you're going to hold Alt and select to create a layer mask. Then you're going to select your text layer, and then you're going to hit selection, and you're going to go and select a solid color. Then you're going to toggle black, and then you're going to hit OK. And then you're going to hit the color fill and move it all the way to the bottom. It's simple as that. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a good one.